Hello, grade 8. I am Sir Wawi, your ever curious science buddy. Let's review for the first summative examination. So, in this session, we'll go over the important concepts, answer practice questions, and share helpful exam tips to boost your confidence. So, get your notebook, prepare your pen, and let's get started. Good luck, and let's aim for an excellent score. Okay, so for the overview of our first summative examination, in this unit, students will explore how living organisms obtain, transport, and pass on essential materials and traits. They will trace the journey of food through the digestive system, explain the processes of digestion, and understand how the digestive and excretory systems work together to maintain the body's health. Students will also investigate how plants' organs function together as a transport system and learn the basic principles and heredity by analyzing pattern of inheritance and predicting genotypes and phenotypes using simple genetic process. Okay, so for the first question, what is the primary function of the digestive system? So napakadali ng mga anak ano? Okay, digestive system, the keyword. To pump blood throughout the body? Hindi po ano, kasi yan ay work ni circulatory. To break down food and absorb nutrients? Pwede. Letter C, to remove carbon dioxide from the body? Hindi rin, kasi yan ay for respiratory. To protect the body from harmful microorganisms? Hindi rin ano, kasi ang trabaho ni digestive system is to break down food and absorb nutrients. Okay. Now, next. Okay. So, possible lang ha. Wala po itong pinaka-basis, yung ating topic lang. Hopefully, itong mga question ay lumabas sa inyong exam. Or kung hindi man eksaktong tanong, yung keywords ang gagamitin. So, let's have the second question. Which sequence correctly shows the path of food through the digestive tract? Ano nga yung in order or the sequence of food? Alin yung una, of course? Saan yon? Letter A, mouth, esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine and large intestine, or letter B, mouth, then stomach, dadaan sa esophagus, small intestine, or large intestine, or mouth, diretso sa small intestine, babalik sa stomach, papuntang large intestine, and pupunta sa esophagus. Or letter D, mouth, diretso sa large intestine, stomach, small intestine, or esophagus. The correct answer here is letter A, ano, mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Okay, which organ begins both the mechanical and chemical digestion of food? Meron kayong keyword. Begins. Ano? Begins. Mechanical and chemical. A, mouth. B, stomach. C, esophagus. D, small intestine. Correct. As letter A. Kasi nga, begin. Okay, yun yung inyong keywords. So, in mouth, okay, digestion, first, start. Ano? So, sinong nakatama? Next, which organ moves food from the mouth to the stomach? Ano yung organ naman na nagdadala sa food? Okay, or dinadaanan ng food from mouth to the stomach through peristalsis, contraction of muscles. A, liver, B, esophagus, C, pancreas, or D, large intestine. Of course, yung dinadaanan ng food, we have esophagus. Okay. Next, which organ churns food and mixes it with digestive juices to form chyme? Okay, may chyme. Digestive juices. Saan po ba yan? Nag-churn. Okay, meron na tayong mga keyword diyan. Mouth, okay, stomach, liver, large intestine. Okay, correct. Ano, nasa stomach. Nandun yung mga digestive juices na nakabuo ng chyme. Okay, ayan po. Letter B. Next, in which organ are most nutrients absorbed in the bloodstream? Most nutrients na aabsorb saan po? A, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, esophagus. Nandun po yung mga villi na nag-absorb. Correct. It's letter B, small intestine. Next, which practice helps maintain a healthy digestive system? Paano natin mapapanatili yung healthy digestive system, mga anak? Eating a balanced diet rich in fiber, skipping breakfast regularly, drinking sugary beverages every day, or eating large meals before bedtime. Correct. Ano? Letter A, syempre, eating balanced diet rich in fiber. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Next question. Ayan. A student often experiences constipation. Constipated, yung nahihirapan ano, yung parang, okay. After eating mostly processed foods, ayan, kakakain ng mga processed foods like yung mga frozen, mga hot dogs, okay, and drinking very little water. Hindi mostly umiinom ng tubig, which change would best improve digestion. Ano kaya yung possible na gawin dapat niya para, okay, mag-improve yung kanyang digestion process? A. Eat more fiber-rich foods and drink enough water. B. Skip meals to allow the digestive system to rest. C. Replace fruits with more processed snacks. And D. Drink less water to reduce stomach activity. Okay. Letter A, syempre, kailangan natin kumain ng mga pagkain na rich in fiber. Okay, so ano yung mga pagkain na rich in fiber? Like vegetables. Example, broccoli, carrots, cabbage, okra. Okay, so yung mga rich in fiber na food, yun ay nakakatulong sa ating digestive system ng anak para maiwasan yung pagiging constipated and help you feel full longer. Ano? Yan. So, letter A. Which digestive process mainly takes place in the small intestine? Ano yung digestive process na meron sa small intestine? Letter A. Absorption of nutrients in the bloodstream. B. Storage of food before digestion. And C. Formation of feces. Or D. Mechanical chewing of food. Ah, may ngipin pala sa small intestine. Okay, ano? Wala po. So, ang tamang sagot dito is letter A, ano? Absorption of nutrients. Kasi yun talaga yung trabaho ni small intestine. Ang chewing po ay sa mouth. Ang storage of food, temporary stomach. Formation of feces, okay, nasa large intestine yun after absorb ang water. Ano? So, sige. Which of the following is not a function of a phloem? Okay, nasa plant transport system na tayo. Okay, ano yung hindi? Meron tayong nabasa not. Ibig sabihin, hindi function ni phloem. A. Transporting sugars throughout the plant. B. Transporting amino acids. C. Carrying water from the roots to the leaves. Or D. Transporting plant hormones. Yung letter A, yun ay sugars. Yun talaga yung trabaho ni phloem. Transporting amino acids, pwede. Transporting plant hormones, pwede. Ang hindi trabaho ni phloem ay yung pagdadala ng tubig. Kasi yun ay trabaho ni xylem. Ano po? Letter C. What is the primary function of sieve tubes in the phloem? Okay, so sieve tubes is a part of the phloem. Ano? So A. Transport water and minerals upward. B. Store food for the plant. And C. Produce glucose through photosynthesis. And D. Transport sugars to different parts of the plant. Transport water, hindi yan trabaho ulit ni Fluem. So, mali na kay Xylem yan. Store food, lalo namang hindi. Kasi hindi naman yun for storing of food. Letter C, produce glucose. Ang nagpo-produce po ay sa leaves, hindi po sa sieve tube. Or letter D, transport sugar. Correct. It's letter D, ano? The sieve tube helps the phloem to transport sugars or food to different parts of the plant. Okay. Next, why are vascular bundles important in plants? Ano nga yung vascular bundle? Meron doong xylem and phloem. Ano po? Both the xylem and phloem is present in vascular bundle. So, ibig sabihin, pagsasamahin lang natin yung function ni xylem and phloem here. Letter A, they produce sugars through photosynthesis. Hindi po kasi sa leaves yan. They transport water, minerals, and food throughout the plant. Pwede. C, they regulate gas exchange and leaves. Hindi rin po ano kasi yun ay nasa stoma ano. And then the guard cell yun yung nagre-regulate ng gas exchange. They absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. Lalo namang hindi. Okay, so the correct answer here, they transport water kasi nandun si xylem and minerals and food kasi nandun si fluid. Okay, letter B. What is the translocation in plants? Meron two processes sa plants mga anak. Tatandaan, huwag malilito. Pag transpiration, yun ay for water. Translocation, yun are for food. Letter A, the absorption of water by roots. O, wala na kasi water. The movement of minerals from soil, hindi rin kasi yan ay partner lagi ni water yung minerals. The transport of sugars and other nutrients through the phloem, pwede. Or D, the exchange of gases through the stomata. Oh, may stomata na nga. So, hindi na yon. So, letter C. Okay, translocation is the transport of sugars or food and other nutrients through the phloem. Okay. Next, what is the primary function of a xylem? O, di ka kanina ko pag sinasabing xylem, transport sugar produced in leaves, transport water and dissolved minerals from the roots, or C, carry oxygen to plant cells, and D, produce food for the plant. Nasabi ko na, they transport water and also letter B. Okay. Which statement best describes the plant transport system? O, di ka, paano naman kung ang digestive system, it breaks down food into simpler form of molecules. Ano naman ang plant transport system? It carries air to every plant cell. It moves soil particles through the plant. C, it transports sunlight to the leaves. Or D, it transports water, minerals, and food to different parts of the plant. Correct. It's letter D. Okay. Which statement best describes a dominant trait? Ano man pag sinabi nating dominant nga mga anak, sabi ko, it appears only when inherited from both parents. B, it is always weaker than a recessive trait. C, it never appears in the offspring. Or D, it is expressed even when only one dominant allele is present. Correct. It's letter D. Ano po, kahit only one dominant, let's say capital H and small h, okay, ang ma-express pa din po na trait is yung capital, which is the dominant. Tatandaan natin because dominant trait mask the recessive trait. Okay, next. Which statement best describes a recessive trait? It is stronger than a dominant trait? Hindi, kasi mas malakas nga ang dominant trait. It appears whenever one recessive allele is present. Pwede. It is present always expressed in the offspring. Or letter D, it is expressed only when both alleles are recessive. The correct answer here is letter D. Okay, it is expressed only when both alleles are recessive. Ano? Okay, so next. Again, so hopefully we are done. Okay, or done. We are done on the multiple choice. So mga anak, magbibigay ako ng separate review for hybrid cross and monohybrid cross. Good luck mga anak and hopefully those questions will help you. Okay, ano? So again, remember, keywords is the key. Keywords.